chop, chop.
She chopped the onions into small pieces.
Slice, slice.
He sliced the bread for sandwiches.
Dice, dice.
The chef diced the cheese finely.
Peel, peel.
She peeled the potatoes before boiling them.
Boil, boil.
He boiled the pasta for 10 minutes. Simmer,
Simmer,
she simmered the soup on low heat.
fry, fry.
He fried the chicken until it was golden brown.
Sauté, sauté.
She sautéed the vegetables in olive oil. Roast,
Roast,
he roasted the chicken in the oven.
bake, bake.
She baked a delicious chocolate cake.
Grill, grill.
He grilled the steak on the barbecue. Steam,
Steam,
she steamed the broccoli for a healthy side dish.
toast, toast.
He toasted the bread until it was crispy.
Pour, pour.
She poured the sauce over the pasta.
Spread, spread.
He spread butter on the toast. Drizzle, drizzle. She drizzled honey over the pancakes. Sprinkle, sprinkle. He sprinkled salt on the fries. Garnish, garnish. She garnished the dish with fresh herbs. Serve,
serve.
he served the meal on a beautiful plate.
Grate, grate.
He grated the cheese for the pasta.
Mash, mash.
She mashed the potatoes with butter.
Shred, shred.
He shredded the cabbage for the salad. Whisk,
Whisk,
she whisked the eggs until they were fluffy.
beat, beat.
He beat the butter and sugar until they were smooth.
Mix,
Mix. She mixed the ingredients in a bowl.
drain, drain.
She drained the pasta using a colander.
Knead, knead.
She kneaded the dough until it was soft and elastic. Roll out, roll out. He rolled out the dough to make the pizza crust.
Squeeze,
Squeeze. She squeezed fresh lemons to make lemonade.
taste, taste.
She tasted the soup to check the salt.
Tenderize,
Tenderize. She tenderized the meat by pounding it with a mallet.
melt, melt.
He melted the butter in a pan.
Decorate.
Decorate. She decorated the cake with fresh berries.
Blend. Blend.
He blended the ingredients to make a smoothie. Sharpen. Sharpen. He sharpened the knife before slicing the vegetables.
Add. Add.
She added sugar to the cake batter. Measure. Measure. She measured the milk before adding it to the batter. Sift.
Sift.
She sifted the flour to remove lumps. Season. Season. He seasoned the chicken with garlic and herbs before roasting it.
Crush. Crush.
I crushed the garlic to release its strong flavor. Stir.
Stir.
He stirred the coffee to dissolve the sugar.
Wash. Wash.
He washed the vegetables before chopping them.
Flip.
Flip. He flipped the pancake to cook the other side.